Welcome back, guys. So it's been a while since we last made a video. I think it's been about a good 3 weeks now. So yeah, we have been a little busy, guys. We've been working on other stuff apart from the E46 M3, but today we are going to continue work on this car. As you can see, we've got all our parts laid out, and a lot of these parts have been sprayed up. The gearbox, the alternator, and your sump, all sorts of parts down here, all sprayed up and ready to go back onto the car. Now we have bought pretty much every part. And also we've done the test on the cylinder head as well. Z, do you want to explain the test?
Yeah, so you see right here we got new valves in there. Well, the cylinder 4's got new valves, and also as well as that we got new seals inside there, and they've all been put back together. And last night we just put some water on there to make sure there's no valve leaks. So everything looks all good now, so you could clear that water off, give the head a bit of a clean, and that should be pretty much ready to go back on when it's time to. Apart from that, we need to start working on the block, so that's the main thing. So you can start off with the block. We got the honing tool, which is right there. So what that's basically going to do is clean the inside of the block. You see there's a bit of surface corrosion. Once that's done, we can spin the block around and start working on getting the crankshaft in and getting also the bearings in. So you can see right around here, guys, we got all the piston rings. So there's a full set of piston rings there. We got main bearings, big end bearings, and also the chain for the oil pump, and new head bolts. As well as that, we got a full head gasket kit that comes with all the seals, and also some gasket kit as well. So we're pretty much ready to go with working on the build. So as you guys have seen, we've installed all the pistons. Along with that, the crankshaft, everything's all been torqued to spec. We've also got the oil pump installed with the new oil pump chain as well. So that's all done. We are ready for the next stage, which is installing the cylinder head. But before we do that, guys, we'll get the head gasket on. Once that's done, we'll start bolting it all down. So check it out, guys, we got the cylinder head installed onto the block. As well as that, we got the new bolts in, head gasket. We also torqued everything down to spec, and we got the camshafts in with the followers all tightened to spec. So that's all done. We also set a timing for the camshafts. This tool basically makes sure that the cams don't move out of place and it keeps it well in timed. So that's all sorted. We still gotta set our TDC, which means top dead center, for the main pulley hub. So these bolts need to be tight, and we still need to get the torque settings for them. Once that's done, I think that's the timing right there. So that needs to come up to here, and once that's there, we'll put our pin in, and that will lock our timing. Once that's done, guys, we can start tightening everything up. Before we do any of that, we need to get these sprockets in for the Vanna system. Once that's in, we can start setting everything. So check it out, guys, we've done the timing on the engine and also on the Vanna system. That took quite a while to do, so we got used to it and finally got it done. And we spun the engine, make sure everything's all right, and also check the cams, they're all lined up, and that's why we got the timing tool back in place, so everything nice and sweet and ready to go. I mean, the only thing that's left is getting that rock cover on, then we can start working on, you know, building the sides of the engine and stuff. I mean, it takes a while, you know, just building everything on the internal, getting everything right. I mean, you don't want your timing out and stuff, so that's why we took quite a while to make sure everything is in spec.
Yeah, guys, we are going to end the video there. We did want to carry on, but it's a Saturday night and I want to go home, start editing, and get this video out for Sunday. So yeah, we're gonna end the video there, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to follow us as well on Instagram for all the behind the scenes. And hopefully by the end of next week we'll have the engine back together. What do you reckon? Is that possible?
Yeah, everything will be back together hopefully by end of next week. As I mentioned, the week after we start, installing inside the engine.
Yeah, guys. So it's goodbye for now, and we'll see you on the next one.